southeastern Clinton County, western Washington County, southeastern Monroe County in southwestern Illinois, north central Randolph County in southwestern Illinois, southeastern St. Clair County in southwestern Illinois, until 3:30 p.m. At 2:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Red Bud, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Waterloo, Red Bud, Nashville, New Athens, Marissa, Oakville, Tilden, Lively Grove, Baldwin, New Design, St. Libory, Bartlesville, Prairie, Lensburg, Johannesburg, Hecker, Covington, Fayetteville, Ruma, and Eddyville. This includes Interstate 64 in Illinois between exits 41 and 50. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds and large hail. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. for portions of south central and southwest Illinois.